Leo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong energy update for January 1 to 15, 2025. Happy New Year sa inyo, Leo. So, if you're interested in private reading, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like and share this video. Comment na rin kayo kung kayo resonate. And thank you sa mga hindi nagsiskip ng ads. It really helps our channel. So, let's begin. Leo, tingnan natin what's coming to you ngayong first half ng January. So, kuha na ako ng mga cards. This is your overall energy, your challenge, opportunities, blessings, money, career, health, and love life. Okay. So, kuha pa tayo ng more cards. So, while I'm shuffling, kumusta naman ang inyong New Year's celebration? Medyo maulan kasi, no? Sa ibang parts. Sa amin, inulan ang New Year. So, late na. Late na sila nakapagpaputok. Tapos, ang tagal. Okay. And ano yung mga goals nyo ngayong January? Ano yung mga gusto nyo ma-achieve? Comment nyo dyan. Ano yung mga minamanifest ninyo? Okay, so ayusin ko lang tong cards. Okay. So let's begin. So for you, Leo, your overall energy is the 10 of Wands. Nako, maraming kailangang gawin. You're very busy. Siguro nung mga nakaraang taon, nung nakaraang taon, ng 2024, may mga pending kayo na gawain, like project, task na hindi nyo natapos. So ngayong first half ng January, hahabulin nyo yun para matapos, ma-accomplish nyo yung mga tasks. So, medyo busy, no? Maraming kailangan gawin, maraming responsibilities, but you can do it, no? Kaya mo naman siya. Kailangan lang rito ma-manage mo yung oras at panahon mo ng maayos, okay? Time management is the key. So, your challenge is judgment, which is about change. About reinvention. So, maaring meron kang gustong baguhin sa sarili mo, like, can be your physical appearance, or yung the way you carry yourself. Pero parang, hindi ka ganun ka decided, or hindi ka ganun ka sigurado. Oo. Halimbawa, gusto mong, magpagupit ng buhok. Parang nasa 50-50 yung energy mo na kung itutuloy mo ba. So, some decisions na gusto mong gawin para sa sarili mo, para magkaroon ng pagbabago, but at the same time, medyo hindi ka ganun kasigurado or hindi ka ganun ka-decided. Okay? So, dapat to ganun. Piliin mo kung saan ka mas magiging masaya, saan ka mas magiging malaya. 'Di ba? Okay, so your opportunity is the 6 of Wands. Wow, Leo, as an opportunity, this is about recognition. You will be recognized, you will be successful in whatever you pursue, especially if you are showcasing your knowledge, your skills, your abilities. So, iba sa inyo, Leo, you're going to be a center of attention. Maraming taong makakapansin sa'yo. Maaring ito yung mga pagbabago na gusto mong gawin na nagdadalawang isip ka kung itutuloy mo ba. But you really need that conviction na gusto ko to, ito yung gusto kong mangyari. Anything that will inspire you. Kasi if it comes from within you, no, na ikaw talaga yung may gusto niyan, hindi yung gusto lang ng iba, you will definitely shine. Yan. You also have the opportunity to be more popular, more famous. Maaring mas dadami yung followers mo, subscribers, or people who admire you. No? If you are into social media, ganyan, content creation. So, maraming followers. ang parating. And you will be acknowledged and recognized sa mga ginagawa mo. So, maraming tao makaka-appreciate sa'yo. And then, your blessing is the Eight of Swords. As a blessing, yung iba sa inyo, kayang-kaya nyo mag-handle ng problema. Yung tipong kahit na nahihirapan na kayo, kaya nyo pa rin ipresenta yung sarili nyo in a very nice way, kumbaga. No? So, and whatever that is limiting you, Leo, ay lalaya ka dyan. Kasi blessing mo yan eh, no? This is your blessing ngayong first half ng January. Yung limitations mo will be removed. Yung mga blockages, matatanggal yan. And I think that's also the reason why may opportunity ka rito na mas maging successful, to break free, to be popular, to be celebrated. Okay, sa money naman, sa kaperahan, you have the Four of Wands. So, iba sa inyo might be spending sa bahay, sa family members, maaring meron kang mapapaayos sa bahay, or may mga bibilihin kang gamit for your house. This is also celebration, so maaring merong important event na gagawin sa bahay ninyo that you will need to spend more money. Yung iba naman, this is stability in your finances, no? So, I see you na mas nagiging masinop, pagdating sa iyong resources at sa pera. So, pag sa inyo namang career, you have the Hanged Man. Baka ito yung changes na gusto nyong baguhin, no, sa career path ninyo. The Hanged Man is about taking a break or pause, no? Taking a pause. Yung tipong titigil ka muna kasi hindi ka na ganun ka sigurado sa gusto mong gawin sa career mo, sa trabaho mo. Or maaring iba sa inyo might, resign within the first half ng January dahil you realize na parang hindi ka nagkakaroon ng growth sa iyong situation. Maaring maraming masyadong trabaho na binibigay sa iyo and it's not worth it. So, for your health, you have the Three of Cups. This is celebration, happiness. I think, you are in a good place, lalo na kung kasama mo yung mga kaibigan mo, mga mahal sa buhay mo. And, sila yung isa sa nakakatulong rin sa yung mental health. People na nagpapasaya sa'yo, mga nakakasama mo, mga kaibigan. And, also, I think meron kang goal sa health mo na na-achieve mo na ngayon. Or maaring meron ka nang nakitang magandang resulta kaya nasa celebratory mode ka for your health. And then for love life, Knight of Swords. So if you are in a relationship with someone, pwede magkaroon ng misunderstanding. Someone might may masabi na hindi magugustuhan ng isa, magkaroon ng someone might be sensitive, so pwedeng ikaw. This can be sa excuse me. This can be sa romantic relationship or sa family, okay? Safe travel. So if you are going to travel, lalo na by sea or sa abroad, so you are safe. Also have justice. I think this is balance in your situation, no? Creating balance in your life. Yun yung tinatawag na work-life balance, na hindi lang puro trabaho, you also have time for yourself to have fun and enjoy. Ayan, may source of inspiration na parating sa'yo, Leo. You will feel inspired about new opportunities for you. Oh my God, Leo, meron talagang changes sa buhay mo. May transformation. You are on the road to success. See, ano ba yung sabi ko kanina? You're going to be successful as well. Hidden secrets can harm you. So, maaring, some of you, meron kayong natuklasan na katotohanan, no, na itinago sa inyo. And maaring yan yung nagpapalaya sa inyo ngayon na at least alam nyo na. This can be from a person na with blonde, gray, or white hair na fair man, lalaki. This can be a foreigner. Problems to be resolved. So, meron ka ring maaayos, masusolusyonan na problema. This can be with a person that you are connecting with, So, turn your worry into wonder, surrender to the experience. What possibilities can you dream into a reality? into reality. So, yung pag-aalala daw ay i-convert ninyo sa pagiging amazed. Ang tawag doon, you are wondering, parang you want to know more, being more imaginative. Yan. Turn your worry into wonderful imagination. Ayan. Dahil marami ka pang matutuklasan sa sarili mo na never mo pang na-realize. So, I think that is the secrets na malalaman mo rin about yourself. Okay? So, that is your reading, Leo. Thank you so much. See you again.